What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-Jamiel. We are back for another Jamiel reaction for their performance of It's Suddenly, ano yun? Hi! Suddenly It's Magic lang, hindi It's Suddenly It's Magic. Ano naman yun? Favorite ko pa naman to. Kinanta to ni Eric Santos and ni Angeline Quinto. And ang ganda ng version nila. So tingnan natin, syempre babaguhin na naman to ng Jamiel. And tingnan natin kung magiging more magical and more romantic ang Suddenly It's Magic. Ito nga ay sa concert ni Kimo. Kaya naman before proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. And mega love shoutout sa ating Jamiel clips, ang ating source of income. Charit, ano pa natin? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Ayan, sa concert ni Kimo. Congrats, Kimo! Galing dito si Kimo, no? Ay, sino to? Sino to, si Kiray? Ay, hindi pala. Sorry po. Kala ko si Kiray. Ay. Ah? May ganyang banter?
Ngayon, ipapalik ko sa'yo. Ngayon. Kanina ka pa na-inspire. Salamat ko ang good niya. Ano ko pang sa audience? Hanapin niyo lang po.
Walk out.
Nakasama sa stage. Ate, so alam naman natin na ikaw ay isang uy! Pero bakit po kayo, hindi naman tumigil, pero bakit po parang nag-iba ang landas?
Kasi
nag-iba ng landas.
Mas nag-focus ako na gain ng credential para makapasok sa government service gaya ng meron ako ngayon. Si Kimo nakapag-focus siya talaga sa pagkata.
Pero hindi naman din Ate
Trixie pala. Sorry na po, akala ko si Kiray. Charit.
Production University. Nagsasabay kami. Kasi choral siya, tapos university pa. Choral ka pala, bro? Yeah. Kaya siya na,
ang ganda ng shoes si JM. Eh, may pa-intermission. Charit.
Ayun. Taga-malakpak ka lang daw. Diyan ka lang ba? Bigla, next concert ko, di ba? Peace na lang, please.
Eh, ganda ng damit ni JM. Si Kimo din yun.
Ay, saan to?
Ay, kapatid ba yan ni Kimo?
Pero na ba sa taba?
Uy, ayun ka na!
Sige na.
Palakpakan mo natin na din, people!
Eh. Parang host and guest din pala to si Jamiel, no? Kasi sa Showtime Online, yung galing mag-host ng mga yan. Ayan, kinlose up ni Jamiel Clips. Eh. Lambing? Grabe naman yun. Alam mo yung tinatawag talagang pristine vocal. Grabe, sobrang lambing ng boses. Very soothing. Look at me. Uy! Come on! I feel so free. It's like a fantasy telling you next to me. Suddenly it's mine. Tapos itingin ng ganun, no? One time. Oh, ganda ng pagkakakanta ni JM. Suddenly, tapos ganong ngiti. Suddenly, it's magic talaga. Sinisimplihan na naman tayo, tapos mamaya bibiritan tayo. Grabe. Grabe yung mga bang tawag kasi humming, charot. Yung runs ba yun? Hindi ko alam paano ginagawa yun ni Mariel, but it's very divine. Ganun. This magic when I'm here. Ang smooth. I feel so free. It's like a fantasy. Having you next to me. Oh, suddenly. One look, one touch. When we fall in love. Ayan na! Suddenly, it's magic. Siyempre, ito na nga yung sinasabi natin. Mag-aayos muna ako. Kasi yung sa If I Ain't Got You, nagulat talaga ako dun sa dulo. Akala ko kayong binitin ko. Pero sobrang ganda nung rendition na yun. So tingnan natin paano na babaguhin ng bonggang-bongga to. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Eric and Angeline version. Dana. Hey. Oh, ganda. Love it. With that, tapos yung pa-holding hands na ganyan, no? Galing, love it. There you have it, guys. That is JM De La Serna and Mariel Monteliano singing Suddenly It's Magic sa Kimos concert. Grabe. Alam niyo yung version ni Eric at saka ni Angeline yung ginawa nila. But they still put their own flavor, yung kanilang rendition. Whenever they sing a song, iba yung connection nila sa song and the way that deliver it together. Iba yung magic, no? Suddenly it's magic talaga. And the pristine vocal of Mariel suits the song. Tapos yung boses ni JM together with her, grabe. Nakaka-enjoy panoorin. Yung nafe-feel mo yung genuine vibe and the emotion of the song. Kahit na pumibirit sila, sobrang ganda. Kaya naman, super nag-enjoy tayo. And thank you so much, Jamiel Clips, for this clips. Diba? At syempre, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asian Diaries for today. Kaya naman, ano pa ba ang mangyayari for today? It's a wrap. Ewan ko bakit ako nagbabakal for today's video. Kaya naman, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asian Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.